Hello everyone, today we're going to make another presentation of polarization. So I have a laptop and I put it on a white screen and then I put several plastic stuff on it. It's a ruler, spoon, toothbrush and so on. I have a polarizer. It's a polarizing filter, so I could put the polarizing filter and twist it. You see the screen start to be black at some angle of twist, and the colors on the plastic stuff start to appear, and if I rotate it, they change the colors and the place of the colors changed. So the white from the laptop is polarized, and it passed through the plastic, and if there is a tension on the plastic, then this changes the coefficient of refraction in two orthogonal positions, so it's different, and there is a change of the polarization of white, because it's for different wavelengths that this happened. That's why it's got different colors. With the polarizer I block it, and that's why I see some of the colors. I don't block for specific wavelength, but I block for some other wavelengths. Okay, you see the middle one, the spoon. If I rotate, the polarizer doesn't change the intensity and it's not covered. So the intensity is always the same, and it's due to the fact that on the surface of the spoon, it's not smooth surface, but there are some grains on it. So the polarization of white is no longer polarized. There is no longer polarized if it passes through the spoon. Okay, so now see the black screen without any objects. Again, if I twist it, it's a black screen, so it's totally destructive. Nothing passed through the filter. I'll put again the plastic elements. I could put filter close to the laptop and show you, or close to the camera and show you. Twist it a little bit. It's very nice. You can use actually photographic polarized filter for the camera to show this, or if you don't have a polarizing filter, then you can use 3D glasses for the cinema. I'll switch off the white to have more contrast. It's a little bit better contrast, I think. So this you can make it at home. Simply take the 3D glasses from the cinema and use it. Of course, then you have to turn them back to observe this. If you put it like putting on your glass, then it will not work, but if you turn them opposite way, it work. Okay, if you like the video, you can give a thumb up, and also you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you, bye.